Most budgeting tools cost over $100 a year. This AI does it for free. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save $1,000 instantly using this powerful tool. But first, here's what we'll cover. Today, we're diving into an incredible AI budgeting tool that's not just gaining traction, but is also revolutionizing the way we manage money. We'll walk through how to use this tool to automate your finances, share real user testimonials, compare it against traditional budgeting methods, and provide actionable tips to optimize your budget with AI technology. If you're looking to save money, the tool we're discussing today is called Cleo. Using Cleo is incredibly straightforward. First, download the app and create an account. Next, link your bank account by following the secure prompts. Once connected, Cleo will analyze your transactions and categorize them automatically. You can set spending limits for different categories, such as dining or entertainment. Within minutes, you'll have a clear overview of your financial health, allowing you to make informed decisions about where to cut back and save. If finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss our weekly AI finance tips. What makes Cleo stand out even more are the user testimonials. One user shared, "I saved over $800 in just 3 months by following Cleo's budget suggestions." Another mentioned, "Before using Cleo, I had no idea where my money was going. Now I'm in control." These testimonials highlight the effectiveness of the app in helping everyday people take control of their finances. Cleo not only helps you save money, but also empowers you to make smarter spending, spending choices. Now let's compare Cleo with traditional budgeting methods. Many people still rely on spreadsheets or manual tracking. While these methods can work, they often lead to frustration and errors. A recent survey showed that over 60% of people abandon their budgets after just a few months because of the complexity. Cleo simplifies this process by automating it. Instead of spending hours tracking expenses, you can let the AI do the heavy lifting, giving you more time to focus on your financial. To maximize your budget with Cleo, take advantage of its unique features. Set up alerts for when you're nearing your budget limits. Cleo can also provide insights on how to save on regular expenses, such as suggesting cheaper alternatives for your subscriptions. Additionally, consider using Cleo's savings feature, which automatically sets aside a few dollars every week into a separate savings account, helping you build your savings effortlessly. This small change can lead to significant savings over time. AI's role in financial planning goes beyond just budgeting. Cleo can analyze broader financial trends and provide recommendations based on your goals. For instance, if you aim to save for a vacation, Cleo can forecast how much you need to save monthly to reach that goal. This kind of predictive analysis is something traditional budgeting tools simply can't offer. With AI, your financial planning becomes proactive rather than reactive. Success stories keep pouring in from Cleo users. A college student reported saving enough for a summer trip by simply following the budget they set with Cleo. A family shared that they paid off $3,000 in credit card debt within 6 months after adopting the app. These examples illustrate the real-world impact of utilizing AI for budgeting. It's not just about numbers, it's about achieving your dreams and financial freedom. As we wrap up, here are a few final actionable tips. First, regularly review your budget and adjust your spending limits as necessary. Second, engage with Cleo's community for tips and support. Lastly, remember to set financial goals, whether it's saving for a home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. By leveraging AI tools like Cleo, you can take significant steps towards financial empowerment and wellness. Subscribe to Smart Money AI for more money. To summarize, Cleo offers a free, effective way to manage your finances and save money. By automating budgeting and providing personalized insights, it can help you save 1,000 or more. Remember to leverage the app's features like alerts and predictive analysis to maximize your savings potential. Start using Cleo today and experience the difference AI can make in your financial life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to use AI to improve your finances. Hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on our latest content. Your financial success starts with smart decisions, and we're here to help guide you every step of the way.